Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford Transit 350 HD. Really cool. This is the cutaway chassis, of course. I think you can still get the big passenger van. I think we only have like one in inventory, so I didn't drive it. This one has a reading body on it. All different kinds of shelves. Have to slam it. It's fine. And then of course you have big area full of shelves and everything. This is your key to lock everything. So to unlock, do that. To lock it, do that. Do have two key fobs, which is nice. All right. Total price as equipped of $68,730. Original sticker for the cutaways right here. It was $40,730. This one has the 3.5 EcoBoost V6 Oxford White over Ebony. Different modes: normal, eco, slippery, tow haul. We'll be in tow haul for this. All right. Yeah, there's some more. See, those are the more normal size vans. This one's the cutaway version with an upfit. That's funny. People ask me why I review these. These are some of my most popular videos, these commercial vehicles. No idea why, but they are. I think it's because nobody else really does them except for me. So it could just be there's no other videos out there on these. These are extremely popular in the UK. I mean, I'm sure all of us have seen that Top Gear episode where Sabine Schmitz, rest in peace by the way, she lapped the Nürburgring in a transit van. Of course, you know, the infamous quote, "I can beat that time in a van." And the transit, not this generation, of course. This was back in like 04 or 05. But this is kind of cool. This is my first time in a transit. Never sat in one before this. I do love how the nose just dips down, so I can sit there and be like, all right, I want to be right on this curb, and I can know exactly where that nose is. I find the front wheels, and it's really nice. I can just see exactly where I am at. It is a very upright seating position, again, because the nose just falls in front of you. Again, I like that. It's perfect for what it is. onto the bumpy road section. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with this. It's not nearly as bumpy and bouncy as I expected it to be. Even with these deep potholes and ruts. It's about as stereotypical Boston road as you can expect. That's why I love to test vehicles. You know, it's just, what is it like? Big bump here. Not bad at all. I wonder, can you lock it while you're on? Yep. I was like, can you lock it while you're moving? Right, time for the off camber tilt and turn test. See, this is where that front end is perfect. I can just go right up to that truck. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.